Hello, today I'm going to be installing a Titan TTC SC22 fan on my grill for my refrigerator. And in the box, this is the grill cover off of my 2018 Pleasureway XL TS. And this is the size of it. And this is the fan that came in the box. I went ahead and I figured out where the fan's going to be sitting on the rack when it's installed, and I noticed where these little bars are, and I went ahead and I mounted the two rubber vibration stoppers. You know, it's a piece of little rubber just to kind of cushion vibrations. So I mounted them where the grills are, so they'll be in contact with it. And this is the, as viewed from the outside, this is the top of the grill, and this is the bottom of the grill. So I'm putting the fans on it like this, and you can see that these little brackets are right here. There's two types of brackets, one for the top, one for the bottom. It just depends on where the hook is on them. You can see, like on this one, the hook and this tab are different. So you want to be able to hook this on the grill and be able to then attach it to the top here. So what I did is I figured out where the grill's going to be, and it's going to be right here. And I got to get my knife. Okay, cut that there. Okay, sharp knife. We'll put that away in a second. Okay, so now that I have that, the little hook here, you want to catch it on the lip of the grill here, but this tab has to be out, so on the top one right here, I have to use this one. You put it in the hook, so when it goes in, it catches itself on that little bar there, but this tab is facing away from the fan. Okay. Alright, so that's that. Now the fan goes back on. The cables are going out the bottom because this was the top. So just put it on here like that, and then slide this up. There's a little tab right here and a slot. You just line them up like that. Okay, there's that one. So the fan's now attached, and I just want to make sure that it's tight. So you can take your finger and lift up on this little tab, and then push down the fan at the same time and make that snug. Same thing over here. And on the other side, just lift that little tab up, push down the fan, tighten it. Lift up on that, push down the fan and tighten it. Okay, that one came off, feels like. Let's see. Yeah, that one came off. There we go. Alright, so now we can take a look at it, and you can look inside here. and you can see where the hooks have caught that little lip. All 4 of them are caught. And then just as a one last measure, put a little tightness on there with a screwdriver. I'll check them after a while, and if they loosen up, I'll just go ahead and put some Loctite on them, but this should do okay right there. So there it is. The fan's now installed, and when you look at it from the outside, you can just kind of see the hooks in there. I left the insect screen still on there, so the fans will, when they spin, they'll just pull the air through the screen, or push it out through the screen actually. But there it is. Next step, I'll have to go out to my RV, and I have the wiring harness. The wiring harness is basically there's 3 wires to deal with. There's the one wire. This will be mounted in the top opening of the box on my RV, and I'll drop this down. Just drop it down, it'll find its way through, and then I'll pull the power cord out, which is the middle-sized black one. I'll bring that down to the bottom, and that'll give me my 12 volts to hook up, and I'll leave the top wires up at the top still, and that would be the power to the fan, which is this cable right here, and it just plugs in. You just snap it in there in place like that, and then there's the smallest wire. This is the temperature sensor on it, and I'll gotta figure a way to secure that up near the top of my refrigerator, near I guess the condenser. And this has got a little sensor on the end of it, to like a thermistor, to turn on the fans or not. So I'll just have to get that mounted up there at the top, and then this will be down on the bottom where I'll just leave it on auto all the time. Well, that's the installing of the fan. The wiring, I'll do another video on that, but there's how the fan looks installed on the vent cover. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay.